All right, so here's the new build. I just got this van. It's a Transit 250 2021. Really nice. Okay, I got the partition put in, and it's a smaller. I decided not to go with a Sprinter. I'm just gonna build this van to be straight drain cleaning, you know, no plumbing or anything like this. This van will be, Raymond is gonna get this. It's the short one. I think on December 13th my jetter gets here, so I have to go see Patrick from Spartan. I gotta go see him in New York, and he's going to put the jetter right back here. Right now we were pumping some water out the other day. Here's their crawler camera. Pretty crowded over here. Anyway, the jetter will take about 60 inches, which will come to about here. And not much room left, but this is gonna be just drain cleaning. We're gonna keep the parts, plugs, tubular, you know, fiddle plugs, caulking guns, whatever in there. Got these for the extension cords, and basically what goes here is gonna be the Spartan 300, a vacuum, camera, small camera, locator, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know, whatever else miscellaneous, maybe a hand truck or something. One thing I didn't do here, like all I did was just a partition and this. I did not put an inverter in this truck. We just, I don't know, the other one had it, we didn't use it that much, so I decided not to do that. And these LED lights that the van came with are pretty good. Everything is you know, everything is pretty bright, so I like that. I wish it would have had some over there, but anyway, the jetter is gonna be there. That's gonna be all closed off anyway, so I don't really think we need it back there. And I noticed that this is a lot higher than the ProMaster though. This thing is like, I mean, getting a snake down, you know, even though it has the what do you call the sliders, whatever you call it, down the stairs going, but this is a lot more lift if you want to bring up the snake than the ProMaster. So that's a downfall. I don't really, you know, it being taller is not necessarily good for us if we have to unload things. Well, the reason for that, I know, is because this is obviously a rear wheel drive. In the rear wheel drive, you know, there's a differential and the shaft, whatever. There's a lot more going on back here than the ProMaster. ProMaster is a front wheel drive truck, and you know, I'm sure that's the reason why this is higher. But anyway, we'll get back to this on December when I go to New York and get my Urban Warrior installed by Patrick, my Spartan rep. You know, which I like a lot. He takes care of me. So, and that's it. I'm sure it's gonna be a nice truck. The only thing I am afraid of is that this is not the 350, this is 250, and I don't know how it will handle the jetter full of water. But if I have to put another leaf spring, you know, that's not a big deal. It's got stopping power, so that's pretty much all I'm concerned about. And that's about it. Maybe install a hitch, I don't know, see how it goes.